Hey, I'm Pat. Welcome to Daily Devo. Today we're going to talk about the first commandment. So here we are on commandment number 1. If you've been following along, you know we've been working backwards through the 10 commandments. We mentioned in those first few days of this 2-week devotional on the 10 commandments that when we got to number 1, we would explain the reasoning for going backwards, for counting down. Check out Exodus 20, verse 3, the first command. It says, "You must not have any other God but me." So why work backwards? Because this is the foundation one. This is the one that all the other commands hang on. Breaking any of the other commands always goes back to breaking this one. You see, when we bow to anything other than the one true God, whether that be some false idol or ourselves or money or power or sex, there's nearly an endless list of potential gods that we can bow to. When we bow to any of these, we start breaking the other commands, especially command 1. And guess who gets hurt? The one breaking the commands. And usually those closest to them, both in proximity and in relationship. There is one God and one Creator. He's a good Father that knows what's best for us. And He knows that the one thing that will bring more harm to us than anything else, the one thing that launches a detrimental domino effect in our lives is when we bow to anything but the one true God. The truth is that the most powerful, safest place to be is in a posture of humility. What is a posture of humility? It's on our knees before the one true God. And whenever we choose not to be on our knees in a posture of humility before the one true God, whenever we begin to bow to other things, there's a domino effect. And our God knew that. Today, would we remember this first command and that it points once again to the character of God that says, I created you and I want the best for you.